Hi guys, welcome back to Food Mood Creations. Today we're making beet chips. So I have 3 beets and I'm just going to use a vegetable peeler to peel those. So the inspiration behind this recipe was the dehydrated carrot chips that I posted last Christmas. That video has more than 9,000 views, so thank you for watching it, thank you for liking it, thank you for subscribing and supporting my channel. Now I'm using a sharp knife to cut the beets into thin slices. Try to get them as thin as possible because the thicker they are, the longer they will take to dehydrate. And it took me about like 20 hours to dehydrate these beets, so you really don't want to add any more time onto that. So let's talk health benefits. Beets have bioactive compounds which have anti-cancer properties. They are fiber rich, so they can prevent certain forms of cancer and have a positive impact on the digestive system. They can also help manage blood pressure, boost energy, and enhance performance in athletes. So now I'm just placing the beets onto the dehydrated trays. I lined them with parchment paper because I didn't know if the beets would stain the dehydrated tray. So just to be safe, I lined them with parchment paper. Now I'm just going to stack these trays on top of each other and dehydrate the beets for 16 to 20 hours. You can also make these dehydrated beets in the oven. The instructions are in the recipe post. Just click the link in the description box below. I apologize for the background noise in this video. These people don't care that I'm trying to film a video. These are super disrespectful right now. So every couple of hours, I rearrange the dehydrated tray so they can evenly dehydrate. And then you can see that I have a few left, but most of them are done. This is how the beet chips came out. They were crisp and slightly chewy. They were sweet. Beets are not my favorite vegetable, so these chips are not my favorite. If you want detailed instructions on how to make them, the link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.